Hey everyone, Chlorine King here. I'm here at a service call and I'm going to show you how to change a defective actuator with a brand new one. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, here is the bad actuator. This is the one we're going to replace. So the first thing we want to do is remove the handle here. Keep track of the orientation. So off is facing towards me right now, towards the spa returns. And then there's 4 screws. You got one here, one here, one here, and then one on the other side of this here. So that's all it takes to remove it. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, we got the old actuator off, so now we're going to put on the new one, and again, put it in the same orientation as the old one. One thing I forgot to mention, sometimes the shaft coming out of the diverter doesn't match the shaft here, because obviously this doesn't know how the pool is programmed before. So I actually rotated this one 180 to where now it's over in spa mode. So when we put it all back together, we'll tune it then. Alright, so now we have the privilege of removing this and going all the way over to the board, all the way here through the equipment. I already went ahead and done the research for you guys, but you just want to trace everything. Don't play with electricity, always turn the breakers off, and I even run a voltage tester here just to make sure. Better safe than sorry. And the one we're replacing is right there, so I already went ahead and pulled it out. And now we're going to go ahead and do a dry run with the new actuator. Alright everyone, right now we're in spa mode. We're going to go ahead and change it to pool mode and see if that valve turns. So it's turning, so we know that it works, and that's a good sign. Hey guys, one thing I forgot to mention during the setup, if the actuator is not turning the same way that the other one is, and it's not in sync, there's a toggle switch here. It's got on 1, on 2, and the center's off. So from the factory it comes in off, so you're gonna have to figure out which toggle switch moves the valves in the same direction when it's turned to different modes. So just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Alright guys, here we are back at the panel. If you guys are wiring automation, please try to make this cleaner. This was a major pain to get this all wired up. I tightened everything up the best I could over there, but it's just needs work. So anyways, got the new actuator in here, good to go. I'm going to go ahead and bolt this back up and get the system running again. Alright, so here we are at the panel. It's in service mode right now, so I can show you the settings, but let's go and turn the pump on. It's in pool mode right now, so you can see actuator's in pool mode. Turn to spa mode. Actuator start turning. Same direction. So we're good. Put it back in pool mode. Now it's turning back. So that's exactly what we want. So that's how you guys change an actuator. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. As always, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.